Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you exactly how I made a couple $1,000s in the past by selling candy at school. First, I want to say real quick, if this is against your school rules, I do not encourage it, so if you can get in trouble for selling things at your school, you shouldn't do this. Also, stick around to the end of the video for my list of the top 5 candies I used to sell at school. Now that that's out of the way, let's get right into it. You don't necessarily have to sell just candy. A lot of middle schools and high schools don't sell any candy at school, which creates demand for it, but you can also sell things like bags of chips, cookies, sodas, or literally anything else that kids would want. In middle school, I used to get my mom to take me to a store like Walmart or Costco, and I would buy bulk packs of candy, then put all the candy in my gym bag to bring to school. When I started selling candy, I just asked my friends if they wanted whatever candies I had, and told them they're $1 each, and the word started to spread pretty quickly. I sold the most candy in the gym locker room before or after class and in the cafeteria at lunch. Occasionally I sold some candy in the hallway between classes and at the very beginning or end of class, but I didn't sell during classes because although I never got in trouble for it, I don't think all of my teachers at my school would have been okay with it. So if you're starting to sell candy, I really recommend doing it before and after gym class if you have gym at school, and at lunchtime in the cafeteria. When I started, I tried selling smaller candies for 25 cents each and larger candies for $1 each, but after a while of doing it, I found out it was just better to sell a few small candies together for $1 or a larger candy for $1. Accepting quarters was too much of a hassle and it wasn't worth it. One thing you have to make sure you do is bring change to school every day because people don't always have $1 bills. I normally brought about $40 in $1 bills so I could break at least 2 20s, but the majority of people pay with 1s or 5s. I'll tell you my best candies at the end of the video, so stick around. I would buy bags of like 300 Jolly Ranchers for $8, and I would sell 3 for $1. So in total, I would sell a bag for $100, and when you subtract the $8 it costs, this leaves $92 in profit from selling just one bag of Jolly Ranchers. It would take me about 2 weeks to sell all of these, but that was while I was selling other candies too, so that's about $45 profit per week for just Jolly Ranchers. I would also buy snack-sized chocolate bars that come with 6 pieces per pack, and each pack was $1. I would sell 2 pieces for $1, so I would only make $2 profit per pack, but I could sell about 5 to 10 packs of these per day, which adds up to $10 to $20 per day. When you combine this with the Jolly Ranchers, I would make about $100 to $150 every single week as a middle schooler, which is a ton of money for that age. So in middle school, my top selling candies were Sour Patch watermelons, Sour Punch straws, Kit Kats, Jolly Ranchers, and these small coffee flavored candies called Kopikos. I'm going to make a part 2 to this video explaining how I did this in high school and how I made a lot more money, so subscribe and like this video if you want to see that. If you found this video informative or enjoyable and you want to learn new ways to be more productive, grow on social media, and make more money, please take a second to subscribe. I make a new video every single day, and if you have anything you'd like me to make a video about, drop it in the comments below. It really means a lot to me when you guys support this channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, I hope you have an awesome day.